Welcome to today's new product release update. In today's quick update, I'm going to be covering Fortran Webdocs Windows Release 2.1.9. We're excited to announce as of January 10th, 2023, Webdocs Windows 2.19 is shipped and is available for download via the Fortran Community Portal. The Webdocs Windows 2.19 release contained over 111 user stories and 24 customer-specific requests. And we're excited that a lot of these enhancements that were made were around the user interface and around performance. Some of the key features that I'll be talking about today is workflow inbox enhancements, key document OCRing capability, click to indexing, working with documents, document splitting, page reordering, and page deletion, O365 email integration capabilities, document search optimizations. For full release notes, you can go out to the community portal at Fortran and access it via the Webdocs Windows page. Also, you could click this and follow this link here to be able to provide you that information as well. Today I'll be doing a short demonstration of a few of those different features inside of there, sort of focusing around some of the search interface capabilities and the workflow inbox capabilities, so you can sort of see some of those different functionalities that we've added there. But for a complete demo, feel free to reach out for us. Out to us, and then we can schedule a one-on-one demonstration with your organization to show you some of those deeper capabilities, and also plan your upgrade for the new release. All right, as you see here, from a demonstration standpoint, I'm going to start with the Webdocs Windows interface. Obviously, there's some obvious things that have changed. The Fortran branding has came to this release. The Fortran branding gives you the green Fortran logo with more of the green tones instead of the blue. Functionality is still the same on the user interface, just the color palette changed from the style sheet standpoint. Now, from the interface standpoint, like I said, it really comes down to some of the search functionality that we changed around. We added some save search capabilities, so you can actually save searches into a drop-down list inside of here. So you can actually hit the save search and actually create a new save search. So if there's something that's very repetitive that you're doing, you can actually create that save search function to be able to search for those different sets of documents directly from the application drop-down here. We also added a capability around advanced sorting. So advanced sorting capability, sort of like the save search, right? So if you're doing something that's repetitive a lot, right? We added this advanced sort function, so it's very repetitive functions that you can add these different sorts by different, relevances, insert dates, titles, and any of the keys that might be associated to your document type. And then you can do ascending or descending orders. So an option would be like maybe it's a date or something like that. You want to do ascending or descending. So we did give that capability there from that standpoint. And then we also added some capability around inside of the advanced filters. We added a couple new filters inside of here. Is blank and is not blank is another function inside of there. And also the include orphan documents function to be able to include the orphans documents in there as well, so you can search through those that information if need be. So you do have that capability there. And then we still have the folder and document type options there as well. So you have all those different functions inside of here. Now from the from the search standpoint, I'm going to search for a document. And I want to show you some of the different features we added to inside of here, like the split function and stuff like that. So we've had a lot of user requests that when they bring documents in, they might need to do things like reorder or sort. So now we give you the capability. You had the capability to do some of the reordering and stuff before, but now you got the reordering. You can actually change the rotation of the pages. You can delete the pages from here. But then we also added this button here, so you can actually do the deletion or the splitting of a document. So you can split a document out in those cases if need be. So if it's a one-page split or two pages split, whatever you're selecting inside of here, you're going to be able to do that split function. And you might see there's a little scanner icon up here now as well. So along with that split function, you might need to split something out, but also need to acquire from a scanner or scan another page into the system. You can also do that from the interface as well as being able to, acquire another page into the application interface or into this document, right? So you can, create that and add that in here. So you have that full capability there as well. Anytime you're splitting or doing any kind of alterations to the document, we are tracking that with the history control inside of here. So we have all that information in the history and audit and version control of the document inside of there. So you'll be able to, see when something has been split out. So if a new document's been split out, you'll see who did it, when they did it, and the document ID information as well. So all that information is there from that standpoint. Now, some of the other key features here, one of the other key features that I want to show that happened in a couple of releases before was the capability to do redaction and stuff like that. So when you are working with documents, we do have that redaction capability and signature capability inside the browser as well. So you can place either a physical signature on a document using the pad here, signature pad inside the interface. So you do have that capability to be able to do different things like that. So those are just some of the cool functions along with annotation capabilities that we have inside the browser. So you still have available capabilities to do all your favorite annotations via the browser as well. Now, one of the other functions that I really want to show here really quickly is the inbox capability. So we did add a user inbox capability to extend that user ability to more of a group inbox function. So you can create multiple inboxes, for different kinds of workflows to be able to segregate your documents out into those different logical groups, right? So you do have your My Inbox, so everything goes into your My Inbox or or a personal inbox, right? But then you might have group things that you want to be able to do or work with individuals on as more of a queue style. You can have more of an accounts payable kind of queue structure like that. Claims queue, document indexing queue if you wanted to. And then like this one here, you can actually work an inbox too. So I can say, you know what, I have multiple documents. I have 2 in this case. Say I had 10 or 20 or 30 and I wanted to get them all through. That was part of my job in the morning to do that. I can actually hit this work inbox button and it pulls you into the interface and it's going to one by one go through these documents, right? So I pulled open this queue alone and gives you the capability to work those different boxes inside of here and complete those different boxes and hit the submit next to go to next. Now, if you are indexing things as well along during the way, you can type information into here if you have the right security for the workflow. Then we also added this click the index option where I can actually say if it's text or a barcode or dot matrix or a data matrix or a QR code, and then go select the data I want to scrape into this barcode here too. So you do have that capability. And along with that capability, you'll see here we did add that split function here and that acquire scan button. So if you do need to acquire another page when it's inside of a workflow queue or into a workflow process even, you can acquire another page. You can annotate on it inside here. So if you have to have a sticky note or anything like that, you can do that all from the workflow interface along with the split function. So we did give you all those different functionalities built into the application still. I want to thank everyone for attending today's quick product update video of Webdocs 2.1.9. And please let us know if you have any questions or would like to schedule a consultation around your upgrade process and also maybe a quick demo of the solution in further detail. Thank you.